Hi guys, in this video let's discuss about how to manage master database in your online academy and what all activity you can do within master database. So first of all, at the right top on your navigation bar you can click on the square icon and select master database. So it will take you to the next page where you can manage your academies, languages, categories, levels, subjects, category image galleries and holidays. So first of all, let's manage languages within your online academy. You can click on languages option and it will give you the option to add or remove languages within online academy. So here you can add the language name, you can add the description of the language, you can add language code, and here you can switch on and off your language settings. So similarly you can use categories. You can click on the categories, you can add more categories in your online academy here. Then you can put the description and you can select again you want to use this category in your online academy or not. Then you can save the settings. And next one is you can add levels in your online academies. So you can click on add levels to add more levels in your online academy. And next one is subjects. You can also add more subjects in your online academy just by clicking on subject button. So once you click on the subject button, it will give you the option to add more subjects in your online academy, where you can put the subject name, the description of the subject, subject code, and again you can select yes and no option to use the subject within your online academy. And next one is categories, image gallery, where you can add images to use same images while creating online courses in your academy. So here you can add more and more images in your gallery. And next one is holidays. You can create holidays calendar within your online academy. So while scheduling batches or creating live classes, you can exclude these holidays from your schedule. So here you can click on add new holidays, you can add holidays name, and then you can put the description here and you can select the date of the holiday. Then you can click on add. So this is how you can use master database settings in your online academy. Thank you.